Now see paramagnetic substances. So see here, in paramagnetic materials, every atoms have permanent magnetic dipole moment. But see here, it has unpaired spin of electrons. So net magnetic dipole moment of the each atom is not 0. So if you see here, this is a paramagnetic material, and every atom in the paramagnetic substances have got magnetic dipole moment. But in the absence of external magnetic field, if you have taken H is equal to 0, the net magnetic dipole moment of this paramagnetic substances is 0. The reason is these are randomly oriented. As you apply external magnetic field, all these whatever the dipole moment are here, these dipole moment starts arranging in one direction. Because of that, magnetization starts taking place, and but it is in the direction of the applied magnetic field. But in the diamagnetic material it was opposite to that. But here whatever the magnetic field is here inside it, that is actually here B is greater than H. In this case, I, that means intensity of magnetization, has low value, but it is actually positive. Because of that, chi m is also is a positive here, and as a result here we can take mu r is greater than 1 for the paramagnetic substances here. So this is about the paramagnetic substances and their behavior in the external magnetic field. Now see, here the graph between I and H is like this. For the paramagnetic materials, I is over here, H is here, that is like this. That changes linearly and that has got the positive value. And after that also, the magnetic property of the paramagnetic substances, that means here the chi m for the paramagnetic substances depends on the temperature. This is here chi m is inversely proportional to temperature, and this here chi m is known as here magnetic susceptibility. If you increase here the temperature, susceptibility decreases. It means actually disorientation of the magnetic dipole moments take place. And now here you can draw the graph also for this is here 1 upon chi m and t, that will be also a straight line. So this is about here the relation between I and H for the paramagnetic substances. Now also, when the paramagnetic substances are placed in external magnetic field or in the magnetic field, magnetization takes place as we have just discussed. Suppose here there is a paramagnetic material like this in the magnetic field, then most of the lines prefer to pass through this material here for this. So this will be the behavior of the paramagnetic material inside the external magnetic field. And also, if you are placing the paramagnetic materials in the non-uniform magnetic field, then they move from the weaker parts of the field to the stronger parts of the field.